Hello! Our topic for this video tutorial is about images. Images are defined with the img tag. The img tag is empty, which means that it contains attributes only and has no closing tag to display an image on a page. Here's the sample code. img stands for image. You need to use the src attribute. The src attribute stands for source. The value of the src attribute is the URL of the image you want to display. Alt attribute provides alternative information for an image if a user for some reason cannot view the image. Save it and view it in the browser. And now, you'll see the image in our HTML file. Well, that's for it. Thanks for watching.